guys. Magbabagrade tayo. Ito pala is wala lang. Work na. Ito nga pala yung tatlong assignment. Next. Pencil case. And this pencil case. Later natin ito papakita. Ang first muna is meron tayong book ng writing. Ito ka sila. Meron dito Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Next, meron tayo dito kapag yung pag pumupunta yung teacher sister namin ganun. Cheers. Meron tayo dito drawing. Ito naman po is shade 1. Next, dictionary. Glasses. And towel. I don't taste it. I think I will can't get it. Math assignment, remind, and last is mathematics. This is my paper is may color name. Dito ka nilagay mga